guys, it's your girl, I'm Brianna MUA. I'm back again with another makeup tutorial. Happy Mother's Day out there to all my beautiful moms and all of you guys who are subscribed to my channel. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now. It's free and it only takes a few seconds. Hit that bell so you guys never miss a beat or any of my uploads. Go ahead and thumbs up the video and leave me a comment below. So today's video is a makeup tutorial. I purchased both collections, or both of the collections out of the Patrick Starrr 2018 spring collection. Very beautiful. I think they're like $49.50, but my local Belk had 20% off or 25% off, so I got both both collections for $40. I think they were on sale, so I was like, you can't beat that. And there were 2 collections and 4 items came with each. You got a lipstick, a lip gloss, an eyeshadow palette, and a blush palette. And it's a duo blush palette. I really love the packaging. Very beautiful and spring-like. I like the fact that the blush has like little crystals or glitter in it. And I just swirled around the blush and put that on the cheek so you can kind of see that peachy glow. And then I went in with the Artist Couture Jackie Aina highlighter in La Peach, just to give me like a cute little peachy look or peachy glow. With the eyeshadow palette, I used all of the shades in here. I didn't cheat and go outside and use any other brand. I used the lighter color in the crease, the lighter purple to deepen up the crease. I used the burgundy shade on the lid, and then I went in on the outer V with the darker purple. And then the 2 lippies, this is Sweet Mama Starrr, which is like a nudie peach. And then I topped it with the lip gloss, which is Mama Starrr Kiss, a very beautiful lip combo. And I lined my lips using Cork, which is MAC's lip liner. And that's pretty much it, you guys. And I just did my regular old foundation routine and whatnot. I will insert a pic in the description or in the video so you guys can see my outfit of the day for Mother's Day. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. That's pretty much it. See you guys in the next video. I love you guys, and again, happy Mother's Day.